Gentlemen, lean in for a moment because what I'm about to share might just surprise you. Listen carefully. Tonight, I'm going to reveal a single, simple habit, something you probably already have in your kitchen, that could completely transform the way you wake up tomorrow morning. No pills, no fancy supplements, no expensive powders, just a small, nightly ritual that can quietly restore your energy, your drive, and your confidence as a man. Here's the thing. Every night, your body opens a hidden window, a powerful 2-hour period designed to rebuild testosterone, flush out old hormones, and recharge your system. But here's the problem. Most men never take advantage of it. They go to bed, but their bodies remain trapped in stress mode. Instead of rebuilding, they're breaking down. And that's why you wake up tired, foggy, maybe even questioning if you've lost a step somewhere along the line. I'm Dr. Michelle Zion. I've spent over a decade helping men over 50 regain not just their strength and vitality, but their focus, drive, and overall confidence, all without relying on harsh drugs or artificial boosters. And tonight, I'm going to show you something surprisingly simple, a combination of 2 natural ingredients that can switch your body from stress and survival mode into full-on repair and rebuild. Before we dive into that, take a moment to support this channel. Hit the like button, subscribe so you never miss these tips, and leave a comment letting me know where you're tuning in from tonight. Here's the truth, gentlemen. It's not your age that's holding you back. It's your routine. If your body isn't given the right fuel before sleep, it can't do the repair work it's designed to do. In a few minutes, I'll show you exactly what this simple mixture is and how to use it so you wake up refreshed, strong, and hormonally balanced. But first, let's talk about why so many men over 50 feel stuck in low gear and why your body can still perform like it did years ago. Let's be honest, gentlemen. Something shifts after 50. Maybe you wake up slower. Your workouts feel heavier. Your focus isn't as sharp, and that steady energy you used to carry through the day seems to fade. Most men chalk it up to age. But here's the secret. It's not just about getting older. The real changes are happening inside your cells. Your natural hormone rhythm starts to lose balance. Testosterone, the hormone responsible for energy, confidence, muscle tone, and sexual drive, begins a slow decline, roughly 1% per year after age 40. And it's not just testosterone. Your mitochondria, the tiny power stations inside every cell, start to slow down too. When they slow, your body produces less energy and fewer of the signals that tell your brain and glands to make testosterone. Think of it like a high-performance engine running on low-grade fuel. It still runs, but it's not performing at its peak. Here's the good news. Your body hasn't forgotten how to perform. Deep down, it still carries the blueprint of your prime years. All it needs is the right fuel, proper hormonal support, and a calm, uninterrupted environment for repair. That's why your nighttime routine is crucial, because the real secret to restoring testosterone and energy doesn't happen in the gym or at the office. It happens at night while you sleep. Sleep is not downtime. It's prime time for detoxification, cellular repair, and hormonal reset. But if you go to bed stressed, overfed, or undernourished, your body cannot complete this essential work. So before I reveal the exact nighttime mix, let's understand how this repair system works, and why so many men unknowingly sabotage it. When you close your eyes at night, your body doesn't simply shut off. It shifts gears, moving from active mode to rebuild mode. During deep sleep, 3 systems work together silently but powerfully: your hormonal system, your circulatory system, and your liver. Let's start with hormones. Your brain sends signals to release luteinizing hormone, LH, which travels down to your testes and instructs your body to produce testosterone. But this process only works efficiently during deep, uninterrupted sleep, and only if your stress hormone, cortisol, is low. Stay up late scrolling, or eat a heavy meal before bed, and cortisol spikes. Cortisol is testosterone's #1 enemy. When cortisol is high, your body believes it's in survival mode. That means no rebuilding, no hormonal repair, no testosterone surge. Now, let's talk blood flow. Healthy testosterone production depends on oxygen and nutrients reaching your glands and tissues. If your arteries are stiff or circulation sluggish, those vital nutrients never reach their destination. This is why cardiovascular health is so closely linked to male performance. Research from the University of Athens found that men who regularly consumed extra virgin olive oil had higher testosterone levels and improved endothelial function, meaning their arteries stayed flexible and strong. In simple terms, healthy fats help keep your blood flowing where it's needed most. Finally, your liver. Often overlooked, this organ is a hormone-balancing powerhouse. Your liver metabolizes old hormones, clears toxins, and creates the environment for new hormone production. Overload it with alcohol, sugar, or late-night snacks, and your liver can't keep up. Hormones stay unbalanced. Energy drops. See the connection? Hormones, circulation, liver, all three depend entirely on what you provide your body before sleep. That's why men who assume 8 hours of sleep is enough still wake up groggy. Sleep isn't just about time spent in bed. It's about what's happening inside your body while you rest. This is where olive oil and a surprising partner come in. Two kitchen staples that can turn your nightly rest into a full recovery ritual. Olive oil, yes, extra virgin olive oil, isn't just heart healthy. It's a powerful hormonal ally, especially for men over 50. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants called polyphenols, olive oil protects cells from oxidative stress, the kind of damage that slows testosterone production and weakens blood vessel function. Clinical studies have shown men who replaced butter with extra virgin olive oil for just 3 weeks increased testosterone levels by more than 17%, while their LH levels rose over 40%. These are real, measurable effects, not hype. And the second part of the equation? Raw, unprocessed honey. You might think honey is just sugar, but it's far more than that. Packed with trace minerals, enzymes, and slow-burning natural sugars, honey gives your liver a gentle, steady supply of energy through the night. As we age, liver glycogen stores shrink, often causing middle-of-the-night awakenings. Honey provides that steady fuel to prevent cortisol spikes and help you stay in deep, restorative sleep. Here's the genius. When combined, olive oil slows the absorption of honey's natural sugars. The result is a gentle, sustained release of energy for 6 to 8 hours. Your liver works efficiently, cortisol stays low, and your body focuses on what it's meant to do: repair, detoxify, and rebuild hormones. This combination has been used for centuries in Mediterranean cultures, and now modern science is confirming why it works so well. Now, let's talk about how to use this mixture effectively. Timing is critical. About 30 minutes before bed, take 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, cold-pressed if possible, and mix it with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Stir until the honey fully dissolves into the oil. Take it straight, no water.